Hi friends, I am Alinambari Prakash from Baligamada High Secondary School studying in 6th standard. Today I am going to introduce physiologies of fruits. The fruit is a characteristic feature of a flowering plant. It is a ripened ovary developed after fertilization. How many kinds of fruits we eat? All of my friends enjoy my fruit physiology book. Fruit physiology. Fruits. How a fruit is formed from a flower. After pollination, the male gland reaches the ovary and fuses with the egg to form fruit. After fertilization, petals, androecium, stigma and style fall off. Pedicel and thalamus become strong and thick. Calyx may either remain in a dried form or fall off. The ovary of the flower change into the seed, fruit, and the ovule change into the seed. Simple fruit. Only one fruit is formed from each flower. These fruits are called simple fruits. Examples: grape, mango, tomato, guava, gooseberry, pumpkin, chili. In grapes, flowers are seen as inflorescence. The ovary of each flower of the inflorescence form a fruit. Pumpkin, chili, mango, tomato. One ovary and one ovule is seen in a mango flower. So one fruit and one seed is formed in mango. But in tomato flowers, one ovary and many ovules are seen. Therefore, one fruit and many seeds are seen in tomato. Mango flower, ovary, ovule. Mango, fruit, seed. Tomato flower, ovary, ovule. Tomato, fruit, seed. Aggregate fruit. If more than one fruit is formed from a flower, such fruits are called aggregate fruit. Examples: strawberry, custard apple, blackberry, poeltia fruit, etc. In the formation of aggregate fruits, many ovaries are seen in a flower. Each ovary develops into a fruit. Strawberry, custard apple, blackberry. Multiple fruit. Fruits from a single inflorescence are arranged inside a common covering as a single fruit is called multiple fruit. Examples: screw pine fruit, pineapple, breadfruit, mulberry, jackfruit. Unisexual flowers are seen in jackfruit. In the flower of the jack tree, we can see many small flowers are arranged on the stalk. These are hundreds of flowers in an inflorescence of a jack tree. After fertilization, number of fruits are formed from this inflorescence. Each such fruit is called chakachula and the seed chakakuru. Flowers that do not turn into fruits form chakachavani. They are all arranged inside a common covering as a single fruit. Pineapple, jackfruit. False fruit. In some plants, parts like pedicel, thalamus, etc. develop into fruit structures. These are called false fruits. Example: apple, pear, cashew apple, rose apple. Apple section, pear section, fruit, seed. The part developed from the thalamus. Apple, pear, cashew apple. The 20 healthiest fruits on earth: grapefruit, avocado, apple, mango, cranberries, durian, olives, orange, red and purple grapes, guava, cherries, pineapple, blueberries, pomegranate, strawberries, lemons, watermelon, blackberries, bananas, papaya. All fruits are healthy, but some are even healthier than others. Try eating a variety of fruits from the list above to boost your health. So friends, I hope you all understood the important information about fruits. Thank you.